Well, graduation season is upon us. We're going to talk about a very important legal issue when it comes to that time of the year in just a moment. First, let me introduce attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, our masters of ceremonies. Guys, how are you?
Yeah, masters of something.
Masters of not getting into trouble when it comes to graduation parties.
Right. Yes.
Let's look at this legal scenario here from Jason in Dallas. He says, my son wants to have some friends over after graduation for a party. I'm going to take all of the keys. If someone gets hurt, can I still be liable? Moms, dads, everywhere want to hear the answer to this one.
Yes. I mean, the answer is yes. And let me tell you, first, you're doing the right thing by, if you are going to have that party and have those people at your house, making sure that you have all the keys so that nobody can get into a car or anything of that nature. But, listen, if you're going to have alcohol there, you're what's called a social host. And if you're going to be providing alcohol to underage kids and they get hurt, the answer is very simply and very clearly, yes, you can be responsible for whatever harm comes.
Yeah, that's usually never a good mix with kids and alcohol. So the parents who think they're doing them, their kids a favor, it's really a huge mistake because you can't protect from the unknown. And if these kids get out, they sneak out, they take your car, they find their keys, they fall down in your house, they break their leg, they run a blood test, and there's alcohol. You've just exposed yourself to a really big case. So, I mean, it's nice to try to control that situation, but it's like a two-headed snake. You can't get around. It's going to bite you.
And even if some of the kids start talking and word gets out that a parent provided alcohol to minors, that's an issue in itself.
That's a crime.
Absolutely, it's a crime. It's a crime. So your thought process of trying to protect your son or daughter is the right thought process, but just. Don't do it. It's just a bad idea.
All right, so for our parents out there that may get into a situation like this and they need some direction, how can they reach you guys?
They can call us 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or any of the social media. We're on Snapchat, we're on Google, we're on LinkedIn, we're Facebook, Zine, all of them.
Nothing like getting Snapchats from you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Love that.
Oh, yeah.
Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll catch you again next time.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are open.